simple little scene that I hope you enjoy. Let's get started. Alrighty, once you have your canvas fully prepped and ready to paint, let's get started. Today you're going to start with some desert camel shade, and what you're going to want to do is add a little bit of liquid white. You're going to dip your brush in that, really mix it around, really saturate your brush on both sides. And what you're going to want to do is make a lot of little X's all over your face. Really try to blend it out. And then you're going to want to go in with a smaller brush just to do the detail work. Let it glide along the canvas. And then what you're going to want to do is take some powdered white, put that on your palette, and then use a very soft, natural bristled brush to apply that. Okay, let's have some fun. Next we're going to take another liquid, white, and we're going to apply that underneath the eyes, just to accentuate that natural beauty of this scene. Alrighty everybody, next we're going to take a warm brown color called roasted chestnuts. We're going to apply that to our brush on both sides, top off your brush, and start applying that on the eyebrows. You can go ahead and deepen it down here. Go on with the darker brown. You can go ahead and take a blonde color. Bring that a little bit lower. We don't make mistakes, just happy little accidents. Okay, let's build some happy little wrinkles. So this time we're going to take a medium brown color and start creating some crow's feet. To add more depth in your painting, take a little bit more brown, but this time a little darker. Then we're going to take that light blonde color again. And just taking your brush, you're going to want to graze across the top lid. And then you can go ahead and add just a few more wrinkles. Then you can go in with a little bit of that liquid white, just to emphasize that. Then if you want to make some happy little cloud wrinkles, you can go ahead and do so. Just to emphasize those happy little wrinkles we made. Then you can go ahead and bring that brown again, just on the sides of the canvas, really bringing the painting to shape. And then what we're going to want to do is create those smile lines. We're going to take that liquid white again, and we're going to make the nose look a little bit larger. Go on in with that darker brown just to give these a little bit more depth to them. Alright, so we're going to take our light brown color, also known as reindeer fur, and start applying that, just letting your hand create those hairs for you. Make sure you're doing it in a downward direction. Try to get that natural effect going on. You can do a couple C-type curls because this painting is a little bit wild. Before we go any further, we're going to take a dark brown and just emphasize the chin. Then, once you've got your initial brown strokes all over your face, you're going to go in with a deeper brown just to deepen that up a bit. And these ones, I'm doing more of a swirly motion just to get that wiry effect. And then what we're going to want to do is go in with another liquid white, but this time in body paint form. Just take a little bit of a red pigment on my brush here, really tap off the excess. And the final touch of this painting that we're going to do today is add just a tinge of highlight, just a happy little highlight on the apples of Bob's cheeks. And what you always want to do at the end of any good painting is wash your brush as well. Smack the devil out of it.